Hello, welcome back once again. Please subscribe if you are new here. So today we are going to learn how to do our perfect Tombrown from start to finish. So please now let's get started. So first of all, you need to get your beans, your maize, your rice, your soya beans, and your granules. So first of all, you need to roast your rice in a pan. You roast your beans, your granules, you roast your maize and your soya beans as well. Please don't make it too brown. Don't roast it till it becomes too brown, or else your Tombrown is going to taste better, or it won't taste nice after you are done blending it into powder. So yes, as you can see, this is my soya beans. I'm roasting this as well. So after roasting it, this is how it looks like: my soya beans, my beans, my rice, my maize. See how it is here, the rice and the beans too all together. So I went ahead and removed the husk from the granite. After you are done with everything, you go ahead, put them in your blender and grind it into powder form. If you don't have a blender too, you can as well send it to the corn mill for them to grind it into powder. So this is the powder here, my end result. So I'm going to prepare some for you to see. So your Tombrown is ready to eat. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more tutorials.